Okay, Everett Doyeg, lesson 12. Start at number 1. It's a series of lessons. You can't really leap in. If you are leaping in spite of my advice, the way it works is you repeat nothing. Well, you sometimes repeat. Sometimes I'll say repeat this if it's a new word or phrase. But basically, I'll say something in English and you have to predict how to say it based on what we've already done. So you need to pause the video, have a think about it, say it out loud, and then unpause so you can hear what I say, and we'll move on. Okay, where were we? Can you remember how to say, where are you going? Call to a gull. I'm going home. Tá ma gull na walla. Because I'm thirsty. Marta tart orm. I'd like a cup of tea. Bhfuil cup and tea. Would you like a cup of tea? Or bhfuil cup and tea? No. Near why? I haven't got time. Níl agam. I have to go to Belfast. Cai me gull go Belfasta? Because I'd like to go to the pictures with Padraig. Mar bhfuil gull go dtí an fictiúlan le Padraig? Well done. Can you remember how to say, what did you do yesterday? Cé rin tú inné? I went to Derry. Hui me go and I was in the pub. Agus bhí me sa pub. I had a pint of Guinness. Bhí pint Guinness agam. And it was great. Agus bhí sé ar dóigh. Now, we're going to ask about the weather. And to say how is the weather. It's similar, but there's an extra wee bit of Céacht. Céacht is how. Céacht a bhí in aimsir is how was the weather. Céacht a bhí in aimsir. So just ask that. How was the weather? Céacht a bhí in aimsir. And of course you can say, it was great. Bhí sé ar dóigh. You might want to say it was cold. So cold is fuar. Can you say fuar? Can you say it was cold? Bhí sé fuar. But it was great. Ach bhí sé ar dóigh. Che is how to say warm. Can you say it was warm? Bhí sé che. Ask, what did you do yesterday? Cé rin tú inné? I went to Newcastle. Hui me go Cashel nua. And I went to the beach. Agus hui me go dtí an trá. What was the weather like? Céacht a bhí in aimsir? It was cold. Bhí sé fuar. But it was great. Ach bhí sé ar dóigh. Okay, how would you ask what is the weather like in the present tense? Céacht a bhí in aimsir was the past tense. So how do you say what is the weather like? Céacht a tá in aimsir? Well done. If bhí sé fuar is it was cold, how would you say it is cold? Tá sé fuar. Well done. What about if bhí sé che is it was hot or warm, how would you say it is warm? Tá sé che. Say, it's great. Tá sé ar dóigh. Now, remember changing from like saying I haven't got or is níl. Níl Guinness agam is I haven't got Guinness, right? So how do you say it's not cold? níl sé fuar. It's not warm. Níl sé té. Say, again, ask again, what's the weather like? Céimar atá an aimsir. It's great. Tá sé ar dóigh, because it's not cold. Mar níl sé fuar. Ask again, what is the weather like? Céimar atá an aimsir. Can you ask, what's the weather like in Belfast? Céimar atá an aimsir in Mulfarsta? What's the weather like in Dublin? Céimar atá an aimsir in Maile Clia? It's great. Tá sé ar dóigh, because it's not cold. Mar níl sé fuar. And I'm in the pub. Agus tá mé sa pub. Ask, where are you? Cá bhfuil tú? Cá bhfuil tú? Say, I'm in Derry. Tá mé in Nire. What's the weather like in Derry? Céimar atá an aimsir in Nire? It's hot. Tá sé té. It's not cold. Níl sé fuar. Where are you? Cá bhfuil tú? I'm in Newry. Tá mé in Newry. What's the weather like in Newry? Céimar atá an aimsir in Newry. It's great. Tá sé ar dóigh. What are you doing in Newry? Cé tá tú a dheanú in Newry? I'm in the restaurant. Tá mé sa bhéal, because I'm hungry. Mar tá ocras orm. And I'm going to the pub. Agus tá mé gul go dtí an pub, because I'm thirsty. Mar tá tart orm. Now, if someone's asking you a question, you might not know the answer. So you need to say, I don't know. And that's, níl is agam. Knowledge isn't at me. Níl is agam. Just repeat it. Níl is agam. Good. Where's my pint? Cá bhfuil má finta? I don't know. Níl is agam. It was here. Bhí sé an seo? Can you ask again, where's my friend? Cá bhfuil má chara? I don't know. Níl is agam. He was here. Bhí sé an seo? Now, do you remember how to ask, have you got Guinness? And will Guinness agat? So, how do you think you would ask, are you hungry? Do you remember how to say, I am hungry? Yeah, tá ocras orm. So make that the question, are you hungry? And will ocras ort? To be fair, I don't think I had told you ort before, so if you didn't get it, don't feel bad. And will ocras ort? So it was, ask again, have you got Guinness? And will Guinness agat? And so the answer, I have Guinness, is either ta or ta Guinness agam, yeah? So ask again, it's a different word at the end, right? Are you hungry? And will ocras ort? Say, I am hungry. Ta ocras orm. Can you ask, are you thirsty? Think about it. an bhfuil tart ort. An bhfuil tart ort. Say, I am thirsty. Tá tart orm. Say, I'm going to the pub. Tá me a gul go dtí an pub because I'm thirsty. Mar tá tart orm. Now, can you ask, are you going to the pub? An bhfuil tú a gul go dtí an pub? You see, an bhfuil is coming in as the question. An bhfuil tú an gul go dtí an pub? Are you thirsty? An bhfuil tart ort? Say, yeah. Tá. Are you going to the pub? Bhfuil tú a gul go dtí an pub? I am going to the pub. Tá me a gul go dtí an pub because I'm thirsty. Mar tá tart orm. Can you ask, are you in the pub? An bhfuil tú sa pub? Yes, because I'm thirsty. Tá, mar tá tart orm. Can you ask, are you in Belfast? An bhfuil tú in Belfast? Good. I am in Belfast. Tá me in Belfast. What's the weather like? Go mar tá in Aimsir. It's great. Tá sé ar dóigh. Because I'm in the pub. Mar tá me sa pub. Are you in the pub? An bhfuil tú sa pub? Hey, my friend. Hey, Machara. Where's my pint? I'm thirsty. Cá bhfuil mo finta tá tart orm? I don't know. Níl is agam. It was here. Bhí sin seo. Right. We'll stop there before that becomes a fight. Okay? Slán, í Hawaii.